Hi, good afternoon, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Okay, this is our last section in the chapter integers. It is the seventh example in your textbook. A shopkeeper earns a profit of rupees 1 by selling one pen. Okay, selling one pen, she has earned 1 rupee. And in case of loss of 40 paisa per pencil while selling pencil of her old stock, he has lost 40 paisa per pencil. Okay, she earned 1 rupee for pen and 40 paisa for pencil. 40 paisa is loss and 1 rupee is profit. And in a particular month, she incurs a loss of rupees 5 in this period. In that month, she has lost 5 rupee. At that month, she sold 45 pens. How many pencil did she sell in this period? The total loss is 5. And the next one is, in this next month, she earns neither profit nor loss. If she sold 70 pens at that month, how many pencil did she sell? Okay, the first question. How many pencil did she sell in that month? Then profit earned by selling one pen is given in that question. Profit earned by one pen is 1 rupee. At that way, profit earned by selling 45 pens is 45 rupee. Then the total loss. Then the total loss means her total loss in that month is 5. Okay, denoted as minus 5 because the loss of amount is denoted as negative integer. You already learned about it. Okay. Then profit earned plus loss incurred is equal to total loss. It means the profit and loss, if we add the both, we get the total loss. Is that given? Minus 5. Minus 5 is the total loss and earned profit 45 rupee. Then how can find loss incurred? We transfer from left hand side to right hand side. Profit earned become minus profit earned. Then we get loss incurred, total loss minus profit earned. Total loss is given minus 5 and profit earned is 45. We get minus 50 rupees. Okay, minus 50 rupees means 1 rupee is 100 paisa. Okay, 1 rupee is 100 paisa. In that way, minus 50 rupees minus 50 into 100 minus 5000 paisa. Then the loss of incurred in one pencil 40 paisa. Is that given that question? Loss for selling one pencil, she has a loss of 40 paisa. Denoted as minus 40 because the loss is denoted as minus 40. So the number of pencil is sold minus 5000 division minus 40. Both of them are negative integer. We get the answer is positive answer 125 pencil. Once more, profit earned by selling one pen is 1 rupee. At that way, 45 pens, 45 rupee she earned profit. But in that month, she has lost 5 rupee. It denoted as negative integer minus 5. Then we get profit earned plus loss incurred is equal to total loss. The total loss are given and profit are given. Then how can find loss incurred is equal to total loss minus profit earned? We get minus 5 minus 45. Both of them are negative integer. We add the numbers and put the sign of negative. We get minus 50 rupees. Minus 50 rupees means minus 5000 paisa. Then for one pencil loss incurred 40 paisa denoted as minus 40 because losing amount. Then the number of pencils sold is minus 5000 division minus 40. Both of them are negative integer. We get 125 pencil. It's also the part of that question. The next month there is neither loss nor profit. It means in that month she has no income. It denoted as profit earned plus loss incurred is equal to 0. Then we get profit earned is equal to minus loss incurred. If we transfer from left to right, plus loss incurred become minus loss incurred. Then profit earned by selling 70 pens is equal to 70 rupee. It means for 1 pence she has earned 1 rupee. Then 70 pence she has earned profit 70 rupee. Okay, then loss incurred by selling pencil is equal to 70 rupees. It's denoted as minus 70 because profit earned is equal to minus loss incurred. Both of them are equal, but loss as denoted as minus 70. In anywhere, loss or decrease as denoted as negative integer. Then we get minus 70 rupees as minus 70 into 100. It gives minus 7000 paisa. For 1 rupee is 100 paisa. In that way, minus 70 into 100, we get minus 7000 paisa. Then the total number of pencil is sold, minus 7000 division minus 40. Okay, minus 40 means loss incurred by selling one pencil is minus 40. Then both of them are negative integer. If we divide with minus 7000 by minus 40, we get 175. Okay, these are some questions in exercise 1.4. It is very simple. Minus 31 division minus 30 plus minus 1. First we add the bracket minus 30 plus minus 1. Both of them are negative. We add the numbers 30 plus 1, 31, and put a negative sign. We get minus 31. Minus 31 division minus 31. Both of them are negative. We get a positive answer. 31 has 31. One time we get the answer is 1. And the next one is minus 6 plus 5 division minus 2 plus 1. First we calculate the bracket section. Minus 6 plus 5. Positive and negative. We subtract number 6 minus 5 is 1 and put the sign of bigger number. We get minus 1. And the next one minus 2 plus 1. Subtract the numbers. 2 minus 1 is 1 and bigger number is 2. The sign of bigger number is minus. We get minus 1. Minus 1 division minus 1. Both negative. We get a positive answer. 1 has 1 time. It's very simple. And the next one is fill in the blanks. 369 division. This part is unknown. The answer is 369. Then how can find this answer? We can simply divide 369 by 369. What is the answer? 1. We get the solution. And second one is the first number is unknown. Division 1 is equal to minus 87. How can find the first number? It's very simple. Minus 87 by 1. Minus 87 division 1. Minus 87 is a negative and 1 is a positive. We get a negative answer. And 87 as 1. 87 times we get minus 87. And one more. This number is unknown. Division 48 is equal to minus 1. How can find this number? 48 by minus 1 or 48 division minus 1. 48 has 1. 48 times. And first one is positive and second one is negative. We get minus 48. And the last one 20 division. The number is unknown. The answer is minus 2. Then we can simply find the answer. 20 by 2 is 10. Okay, 20 division 2 is 10. And the answer is a negative. It means 20 by minus 10 is equal to minus 2. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until the midnight, at what time would be the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? Is that question. Then temperature decreases 2 degrees Celsius in 1 hour. It's given in that question. Temperature decreases at the 2 degrees Celsius per hour. Then temperature decreases 1 degree Celsius in half an hour. It's very simple. In 1 hour temperature decreases 2 degrees Celsius. Then half an hour temperature decreases 1 degree Celsius. Then the total difference in the temperature. In the first case, at what time would be the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? At first time 12 noon temperature was above 0, 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, then the second case 8 degrees Celsius below 0. Then below 0 is represented as minus 8. Then the total difference in the temperature 10 minus minus 8. Difference is represented as minus. 10 minus minus 8. Minus 2 negative become positive. We get 10 plus 8, 18. And another way we can simply find out that the difference between 10 and minus 8. What's the difference between 10 and minus 8? 10 to minus 8. The difference between 10 to minus 8, 18. Then the temperature degrees at 18 degrees Celsius, 18 into half. Half an hour. Half an hour temperature degrees at 1 degree Celsius. Then 18 degrees Celsius, half 18 into half, we get 9 hours. And also we can simply find out in this answer, first 1 hour, it degrees at 2 degrees Celsius. Then the next hour degrees at 2 degree. In that way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hours, the temperature lowest at minus 8 degrees Celsius. Total time taken 9 hours. Then the total time from 12 plus 9 is 21. We can convert into 9 p.m. easily. 21 is 9 p.m. Then the temperature at midnight. Midnight means 12 p.m. From 9 to 12 p.m. 3 hours. In 1 hour 2 degrees Celsius. Then 3 into minus 2, it become minus 6. Then at 9 p.m. the temperature is minus 8. Then minus 6 plus minus 8, we get minus 14 degrees Celsius. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. Then if the descent start from 10 meters above the ground level. Okay, 10 meters above the ground level. Ground level is 0 and 10 meters above the ground level start. How long will it take to reach minus 350 meter below the ground level? Okay, so the total distance covered by mine shaft, it start from 10 meter above the ground level and below the ground level is 350 and total distance is 360. Then time taken to cover 6 meter 1 minute. Given that question, 6 meter per minute. Okay, 6 meter per minute. Then time taken to cover 1 meter 1 by 6 minute. Then the time taken to cover a distance of 360 meter. Total distance is 360. Then 1 meter 1 by 6 minute. Then 360 meter 1 by 6 into 360. It's very simple. 1 by 6 into 360. 1 into 360 is 360 and 360 by 6 gives 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour. Once more, the total distance covered 360 meter and time taken to 6 meter 1 minute. And that way 1 meter to cover 1 by 6 minute. Then the total distance is 360. 1 meter 1 by 6. Then 360 meter 360 into 1 by 6. Then we get 1 into 360, 360 and 360 by 6. We get the answer 60 minute. 60 minute means 1 hour. Thus it takes 1 hour the mine shaft reaches minus 350 below the ground level. Okay, this is very simple question. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answers. And no marks for not attempting questions. And Radhika scored 20 marks. Radhika scored 20 marks if she got 12 correct answers. And how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? It's the first question. Radhika scored 20 marks. If she got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? The questions are given. Marks are given for 1 correct answer is 3. Okay. For 1 correct answer, the mark is 3. That way, the marks are given for 12 correct answer. 3 into 12, 36. But the actual score of Radhika scored 20 marks. Then mark obtained in incorrect answers. The total mark obtained 20 minus 36 is minus 16. It's the total marks in incorrect answers. For 1 incorrect answer is minus 2. Then number of incorrect answers is minus 16 division minus 2. Both of them are negative. We get a positive answer. 16 by 2 is 8. Once more, for one correct answer, the marks given 3, and 12 correct answer, 3 into 12, 36. Then, but the actual score is 20. Then marks obtained in correct answer is 20 minus 36. We get minus 16. For one incorrect answer, minus 2 is given that question, minus 2 for one incorrect answers. Then number of incorrect answers, minus 16 division, minus 2, both negative. We get a 16 by 2 is 8. 8 incorrect answers she attempt. It's also the part of that question. Mohani scored minus 5 marks in this test, though she got 7 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? That same way we can find in this answer. Marks are given for 7 correct answer. For one correct answer is 3. Then 7 correct answers. 3 into 7 is 21. But her actual score is minus 5. Mohani's actual score is minus 5. Then marks obtained for incorrect answers, minus 5 minus 21. We get minus 26. Minus 26 is the total marks in incorrect answers. One incorrect answer, the marks given minus 2. Then the total number of incorrect answers is minus 26 division minus 2. Both negative. We get a positive answer. 26 by 2 is 13. And 13 questions as she attempt incorrectly. Hi dear students, it's our last class in the chapter integers, and if you have any doubt in this class or in this chapter, you can ask me. Thank you.